Today, I have a beautiful story about this 2024 440i M. The client decided to buy it because it was the last wish of her husband before he passed away with ultimate cancer. His last wish was for her to have an unpractical car where she can have the windows down and the loud music and have a ton of fun with it. So fast forward 14 months later and she was able to get it. So she got the car 2 weeks ago and she wanted to protect it. So she brought it to us. We decided on the Ultimate Armor package, which is paint protection film in the front end, and the rest of the vehicle is protected with Ceramic Pro iron, as well as the wheels off with Ceramic Pro wheels and calipers. So come into the journey and see how we do what we do.
First up, we've got the team polishing the BMW. Just getting it ready for that PPF and ceramic treatment, smooth and shiny. Next, we're laying down the ceramic coating. This customer went for the 7-year package, which means we're applying a base coat followed by a top coat. It's like giving the car a super suit for ultimate protection. Now, it's ready for anything. Now, we're treating the wheels and calipers with Ceramic Pro's special formula. This coating is specifically designed for high heat areas and protects against brake dust and road grime. It's perfect for keeping the wheels looking fresh and makes cleaning a breeze. Plus, it adds a layer of armor to those shiny calipers. Alright, now it's time for the PPF. We start with some prep work to make sure the paint is perfect. Then, our experts cover the entire front with Kavacha PPF. This film is like a bulletproof vest for your car, protecting it from rock chips, scratches, and road debris. The best part? It's practically invisible, super tough, and self-healing. So even if it gets light scratches, they just disappear with heat. The PPF keeps the front looking pristine for years to come, while also giving the paint a glossy, high-end finish. This kind of protection is a must-have for any car lover. Finally, we coat the windows with Ceramic Pro's specialized treatment. Keeps them crystal clear, protected from the elements, and easy to clean. Check out the finished product. The BMW looks stunning on the turntable, fully protected and gleaming. With the Ultimate Armor package, it's ready to turn heads and take on whatever the road throws at it.
Thank you for being part of the journey of this particular beautiful BMW. It's ready to go back to its owner. It's protected with the Ultimate Armor package, so the owner can enjoy it with the windows down and the loud music. Like, subscribe, and comment, and let us know what you want to see next.